Crispier and juicier than takeout. Chicken Katsu Curry made at home. Slice the chicken breast in half. Add a pinch of baking soda, Shaoxing wine, soy sauce, salt and black pepper. Massage it in. Marinate for 5 minutes. Prep the veggies. Dice half an onion. Carve potatoes and carrots into small pieces. Heat a little oil over medium-high. Add the onion. Cook until soft. Add potatoes and carrots. Stir for 1 minute. Drop in 2 curry cubes. Let them melt. Pour in 250 ml water. Bring to a boil. Add a small piece of dark chocolate. That's the secret to a richer curry. Stir well. Lower to medium heat. Cover and simmer. Back to the chicken. Drain off excess liquid. Add 2 tablespoons cornstarch. Coat the chicken. Prep 1 beaten egg and panko. Dip in egg. Press into panko. Let it sit for 1 minute. This helps the coating stick. Heat oil in a pan over medium. When you see steady small bubbles around the chopsticks, it's ready. Add the chicken. Don't touch it at first. Flip 1 set. Don't forget to stir the curry so it doesn't stick. Cook both sides until golden. Take it up. Listen that crunch. Slice the chicken. Serve rice and curry. Lay it on top. Spoon over more curry. Finish with scallions and seasoning. Thanks for cooking with me. Like and subscribe for more simple recipes. See you in the next one.